Do you have a problem with the way we do addition? I understand
The addition, the subtraction, and division is all right. Beyond the only problems I have is dividing by. You can't divide by zero, but you can multiply by zero. And if division is the inverse operation of multiplication, then you should be able to divide by it. But if you divide by zero, you end up with an infinity. And there was a great system put together by Marco Rodin, the vortexual based math system, where they remove the zero, but it's able to predict all the things necessary. It was 100% precise as a model, but it's been abandoned or it's been relegated to the outskirts.
Don't know that. We do things where sometimes we can divide by zero. We have concepts like the pointed infinity, where you can complete a structure that the original structure can't accommodate a problem, an operation, but you can complete it to a larger system in which that thing does become sensible. So as an example of the 1 times 1, assume that Terence doesn't have a big problem with addition because addition doesn't have the division by zero problem. Okay. It is the case that if you take any two numbers, A and B, two real numbers, right, or make them positive, and take the natural logs of those two numbers and add those together. Then you take the exponent of that. So we haven't done a times operation at all.
Right.
Right? The exponential of the ln of A plus ln of B. That is equal to the A to A times B. In other words, addition and multiplication are what we would say is isomorphic, or an ordinary person would say exactly the same thing. So in other words, if you don't allow me multiplication, but you would allow me, because you like waves, so with waves you need exponentials and you need natural logarithms, there's no way of changing the law of multiplication and accepting the law of addition because they're the same system.
The multiplication should initially started as exaggerated addition. That was the whole point of it.
Well, the precise statement would be that the positive real numbers under multiplication, with the identity element being the multiplicative identity being 1, are isomorphic to the total real numbers under addition, with the additive identity being 0.